So now we're going to continue with this last concept of using modules to import other modules or files to import other blah 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 whatever. All right, so I'm going to import this temperature program, and it kind of looks like the last one we had, but now it's got a lot more stuff. Instead of just the two functions, it's also got a bunch of like variables and if statements and other things going on as well. So what this is going to do is like, let me demonstrate. I'm just going to run the program. It says enter the temperature in Fahrenheit. So I'm going to put like 20. And just says it's below freezing. So what happened was I imported the temperature program file module. It knows these two functions exist, but it goes right to here. Fahrenheit is the float conversion of whatever I inputted. Enter the temperatures in Fahrenheit. So I put 20, converted it to a float. Then it went Celsius equals, and then it called that conversion module like we had here. Converts it to Celsius, and then takes the Celsius variable and checks if it's above freezing or not. So if above freezing, right? If it's above freezing, it's going to print it is above freezing. If it's not, it's going to print it is below freezing. So basically, it throws the Celsius in there, and it's only like, remember, the above freezing like returns a boolean, a true or false statement. So if it's above statement, it's going to be true. So if true, it's above freezing. Else it's below if it returns false. That's why it's working the way it is. But now let's make another program called it's baking.py. We're gonna talk about baking stuff, I guess, and it's gonna use the temperature program. So import temperature program. And I'm going to define a function called get preheating instructions. And it's going to take Fahrenheit as a parameter. So the goal of this is, we're going to return to the user instructions for preheating an oven in Fahrenheit degrees and in Celsius degrees. So let's see what this looks like. We're going to say cells for Celsius equals the string conversion of, now this is going to be crazy, temperature program dot, because we're going to, dot, we use the module, then we're going to call the specific function we want, convert to Celsius, and in that we're going to use Fahrenheit as a parameter. Okay, so then we're going to say far for Fahrenheit is the string conversion of Fahrenheit. Okay, and then we will return the basically kind of like the instructions, preheat oven to whatever degrees Fahrenheit plus, well, and then we like, it's gonna, the fair is gonna be a number, so we have to say degrees F and then space, and then we'll put like our little disclaimer, plus Celsius plus the temperature in Celsius degrees C with the little end parenthesis. Okay, so that's like the instructions program, but we want a little more in there. We're going to say Fahrenheit is equal to the float conversion, and we're going to ask for an input. Enter the baking temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. And yeah, and then we're gonna print out get preheating instructions, the function we just created, for the value of Fahrenheit. Please do not give me that failure to connect message. Okay, so alright. Oh god, are you kidding me? Okay. Let's just try to refresh it. That's a bummer. Let's see. Is it gonna save anything? Yeah. Basically. Alright, I can work with that. Okay. So let's import baking. Run it, enter the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. Let's say like 15, I guess. That's below freezing. Enter the baking temperature in degrees Fahrenheit. I want to set it to 500 degrees on my oven. And wow, error. Okay, what is going on there? So attribute module temperature program has no convert to Celsius. Oh my gosh. Okay. Convert to Celsius. Convert to Celsius. What is that? Attribute error. Module temperature program has no attribute. Convert to Celsius. Convert to Celsius. Oh, am I a fool? There we go. Here we go. Alright. 15. 500. And of course, there's still something wrong. Great. Alright, so who knows what that could be with how much I was going through this. Define, convert to Celsius. Import baking. Baking imports the temperature program. Temperature program. Convert to Celsius. Is it spelled the same way? Is that it? Is that it? I will be a little frustrated if that was it, but alright, whatever. God, what was it? Whatever, 30, 500. Preheat out. Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, I just spelled it wrong. Okay. So, and I guess I need to adjust the baking instructions. Preheat oven to blank degrees. Alright. So I can run it now. It's like 15 degrees. That's below freezing. I'm going to go up to 500 degrees. Preheat oven 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 260 degrees Celsius. Alright, that's it. That's what I wanted to show off. Oh my gosh, can't believe I messed that up. Should I upload this video? Probably not, but I will because I'm too lazy. So, yeah, that's what's going on. Alright. See ya later.